Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon. Welcome to the class. Myself, Bhagyashree Joshi from Sankalp Learning Solutions. Dear students, in the last class, we have discussed about the multiple choice questions. Okay, multiple choice questions regarding the topic surface areas and volume. In today's session, we are going to solve some 3 and 4 marks questions. Okay, so 3 and 4 marks questions. Shall we start the class? Okay, so once again, welcome to the class. Yes. So surface area and volume. Just we will recall the formulas and we'll start the class. Okay. So first one is volume of the cube, that is A cube. Wait for a minute. Yes. Volume of the cube, that is A cube, and curved surface area of a cube, that is 4A square. That means 4 parts. If we consider only 4 parts, that is curved surface area, right? And if we consider all the 6 parts, 6 sides, that is total surface area, right? Now, wait for a minute. That is total surface area. Now, total surface area is 6A square and volume of a cuboid, that is L into B into H, and curved surface area of the cuboid is 2 into L plus B into H, and total surface area is 2 into L into B plus B into H plus L into H. Next, cylinder. So volume of a cylinder, that is pi r square h, and curved surface area 2 pi r h, and total surface area 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Cone. Volume of a cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and wait for 1 minute. So curved surface area is pi RL and total surface area is pi RL plus pi R square, that is pi R into R plus L. Okay. Sphere. Sphere, the volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi R cube and total surface area of the sphere is 4 pi R square, and volume of a hemisphere, that is 2 by 3 pi R cube and 2 pi R square is the curved surface area, and 3 pi R square is the total surface area of the hemisphere. Okay. Now, based on this formula, we are going to solve some 2, 3, 4 marks questions. Okay. So, in that, first question is, are you able to see the screen? Please wait for a minute, dear students. Okay, volume and surface area of a solid hemisphere are numerically equal. Okay, that means volume and surface area of a solid hemisphere are numerically equal. What is the diameter of hemisphere? So, diameter they have asked here. First, observe carefully what they have given in the question, that is volume of the hemisphere and surface area of the hemisphere are same. Okay. So volume of the hemisphere is equal to surface area of the hemisphere. This is given in the question, right? Next, what is the formula to calculate volume of a hemisphere? That is 2 by 3 pi r cube, and surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Okay. Now, 2 by 3 pi r cube can be written as 2 into 1 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 2 pi r square, right? Now, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Pi and pi will get cancelled. Here r cube is there. Here r square is there. That means 1 by 3 r, 1 by 3 r is equal to 1 we will get, because 2 pi r square all are getting cancelled here. That means we are getting 1 here. So if you transfer this 3 to this side, that is r is equal to 3. 1 into 3 is 3. So r means Radius is 3 here. But what we want? We want diameter. What is diameter? Diameter is 2 times that of radius. D is equal to 2r. So here 2 into r value is 3. That means 2 3 is a 6 centimeter. This is the diameter. D is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay. Next question. Wait for a minute. Why it is not coming here? Are you able to see the screen? Yes, dear. Okay. Next question is, if the total surface area of a solid hemisphere is 462 centimeters square, that means total surface area they have given, that is 462 centimeters square. Find its volume, right? Total surface area. So this question was asked in the previous year CBSE question paper. Okay. So total surface area of the hemisphere is 462 centimeters square, right? And what is the formula to calculate TSA? That is total surface area. 3 pi r square is equal to 462. So 3 into pi value is 22 divided by 7 and r value we don't know. So r square is equal to total surface area. We know that is 462. Now transfer this 7 to this side and 3 into 22 to this side. That means r square is equal to 462 into 7 divided by 3 into 22. So 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 threes are 2 ones, right? Next, 11 ones are 11 twos are 22. 1 remains 11 ones are 11. So 3 ones are 3 sevens. So 7 into 7 is 49. That means r square is equal to 49. Plus or r square is equal to 49. That means what is r? R is plus or minus square root of 49. So r value is square root of 49 is 7. So plus or minus 7 centimeter. So radius cannot be negative. Therefore, we will take only r is equal to plus 7. That is 7 centimeter. Okay. Now, what we want? We want volume. So volume of the hemisphere. So what is the formula to calculate volume of the hemisphere? That is 2 by 3 pi r cube, right? 2 by 3 into pi value is 22 divided by 7 into r value is 7 into 7 into 7. This 7 and 7 will get cancelled. 22 into 2 is 44. 44 into 49. That is divided by 3 is 718.6 centimeter cube. Okay. This is the answer. Next. A vessel is in the form of a hemispherical bowl surmounted by a hollow cylinder of same diameter. Then the diameter of the hemispherical bowl is 14 centimeter and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the vessel. So total surface area of the vessel we want. What they have given, see, one vessel is there that is in the shape of hemisphere. Okay, hemispherical, one bowl is there, right, or vessel. This is surmounted by a hollow cylinder. Okay, ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು cylinder ಇದೆ, right? It is surmounted by a hollow cylinder of the same diameter. So diameter of the hemisphere and diameter of the cylinder are same. The diameter of the hemispherical bowl is 14 centimeters. So diameter of the bowl they have given, that is 14 centimeter. And the total height of the vessel is, so total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Okay, 13 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the vessel. Now, so Here this is the vessel, and here one cylinder is surmounted on the vessel, and total height is 13 centimeter, and 7 centimeter is the 14 centimeter is the diameter. And what is the radius? 14 is the diameter. Then what is radius? 14 divided by 2, that is equal to 7 centimeter. So 7 centimeter is the radius here, and diameter of both cylinder and hemispheres are same. That means radius is also same. So this is 7 centimeter, and this is also 7 centimeter. And here this is full height is 13 centimeter. R is equal to 14 divided by 2, that is 7 centimeter. Inner surface area of the vessel is equal to, inner surface area can be calculated by curved surface area of the hemisphere plus curved surface area of the cylinder, right? Curved surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square plus curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. Now here 2 pi is common, and R plus H is will remain in the bracket. If you take 2 pi common, then curved surface area of is equal to curved surface area. Then 2 into pi value is 22 divided by 7, and R value is 7, and R value is 7 plus H value is 6. Okay, so here 13 is the full height. Okay, height of the full vessel. Then what is the height of the cylinder? Height of the cylinder is 13 minus radius, that is 7. 13 minus 7 is 6, right? So H is 6 here. 7 plus 6. So 22 into, here 7 and 7 will get cancelled. 22 into 2 is 44, and 7 plus 6 is 13. 14 into 44 into 13. Okay, 22 into 2 is 44, and 7 plus 6 is 13. 44 into 13 is 572 centimeters square. This is the answer. Okay, 572 centimeters square. Now, next question. In the figure, figure is a decorative block made up of two solids, a cube and a hemisphere. Okay, one decorative block is there, one box ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, this is made up of two solid cubes and a hemisphere. Okay, two solids, a cube and a hemisphere. The base of the block is cube of side 6 centimeter, and the hemisphere fixed on the top has a diameter of 3.5 centimeter. Diameter they have given. Find the total surface area of the block. Okay. Now, here one cube is there, and one hemisphere is mounted. One hemisphere is fixed on the top of this cube. Okay. Total surface area of the block can be determined by using total surface area of the cube plus curved surface area of this hemisphere, right? Hemisphere minus area of the circle. Okay, minus area of the circle. Now, total surface area of the cube is 6 into side square, right? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಹೋಲ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್, so this is total surface area of the cube is 6 into side square plus curved surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi r square, and area of the circle is pi r square. 6 into side square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square, that is pi r square. 6 into side square, side square. So side value is 6 centimeter. Per side is of 6 centimeter. So 6 into 6 square plus pi value is 22 divided by 7. And R value is, so here 3.5 is the diameter. So diameter D is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Then what is the value of R? R is 3.5 divided by 2. Okay. 3.5 divided by 2, that is 7 by 4 into 7 by 4, right? Two ones are, two sevens are 5. 17.5 means it is 7 by 4. Okay. 7 by 4 into 7 by 4. That is side of the cube is 6 centimeter and radius of the hemisphere is 3.5 divided by 2. Or in other words, 3.5 divided by 2. That can be written as 35 divided by 20. Okay. So 35 divided by 20 means it is also 5 fours are 5 sevens. So that means 7 divided by 4. Right? 7 divided by 4 is the radius. So this is 35 divided by 2 into 10. That is 35 divided by 20. Okay, 7 by 4. Radius R value is 7 by 4. 6 square. 6 square means it is 36, right? 6 into 36 plus 7 and 7 will get cancelled, right? 2 2s are 2 11s are. Okay. So 11 into 7 is 77 and 2 into 4 is 8. 216 plus 77 divided by 8 is, this is 8, right? 9.625. So 216 plus 9.625 is 225.625 centimeters. Okay. Next one. Two cubes, each of volume 64 centimeter cube, are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Cuboid they have asked. Okay, two cubes are there and two cubes are joining, combined. Okay, see, and each volume of the cube they have given, that is 64 centimeter cube. Now, so what they have given in the question is, see, volume of the cube they have given. Yes or no? Volume of the cube they have given. Volume of the cube is equal to 64 centimeter cube they have given, right? Next. So, each side is of 4 centimeter. Yes. So, side is 4 centimeter. So, this is 4 centimeter. This is also 4 centimeter. This is also 4 centimeter. And this is also 4 centimeter. If you combine two cubes, then it is 4 plus 4 is 8 centimeter, right? Then, length of the cuboid. Length of the cuboid is length of the cuboid. Which one is length here? Length of the cuboid is 4 plus 4, that is 8 centimeter. This is length, right? So L is equal to 8 centimeter. That is 4 plus 4, 8 centimeter. So breadth of the cube is, that is cuboid is 4 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. Then surface area of the resulting cuboid, that is 2 into surface area of the cuboid is 2 into L into H plus B into H plus H into L. Right? This is the formula. 2 into L value is, length is 8 here and H is 4 and B is 4 and H is 4 plus H is 4 and L is 8. 2 into 8 4s are 32 plus 4 4s are 16 plus 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 32, it is 64. 64 plus 64 plus 16, right? 64 plus 16, that is equal to 70. 80, right? 80. So A2 into 80 is 160 centimeters square. This is surface area. Na? So for that centimeter square. Right? So next question is, A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeters mounted on a hemisphere of the same radius. Then the total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. Okay. So here one toy is there. That toy is the combination of hemisphere and cone, right? So one hemisphere is there and one cone is there. So this is the combination of hemisphere and cone, and total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter, and radius of the hemisphere they have given, that is 3.5. Radius of the hemisphere 3.5. Okay. Now what they have asked, total surface area of the toy. So here two shapes are combined. That means when two shapes are combined, then total surface area of the toy is curved surface area of the cone plus curved surface area of the hemisphere, right? Curved surface area of the cone plus curved surface area of the hemisphere right? Now, so formula for curved surface area of the cone is pi RL plus curved surface area of the hemisphere is 2 pi R, right? Now, what is the value of R here? R is radius, that is 3.5 centimeter they have given. So R is 3.5 centimeter. Then total height of the toy is 15.5. But height of the cone can be determined by total height 15.5 minus radius 3.5. So 15.5 minus 3.5 is 12 centimeters. So this is the value of H, height of the cone, right? H. Now, so here pi r L is there. L means slant height, right? So here they have not given the L value, but we know the value of R and H. In that condition, we need to use L is equal to square root of H square plus R square, right? Then we can find out the value of L. So H square is 12 square plus R square is 3.5 square. 12 square is 144 plus 3.5 square is 12.25, right? So if you add these two values, then you will get 144 plus 12.25, that is 156.25. 156.25. If you take the square root of this value, then you will get 156.25 is 12.5. So this is the value of L, 12.5 centimeter. Now, substitute the value of L in the formula. Okay. Now, total surface area of the toy is total surface area of the toy is equal to pi RL. Pi value is 22 divided by 7 and R value is 3.5 and L value is 12.5. 12.5 plus 2 into 22 divided by 7 into R square. R value is 3.5 into 3.5. Okay. Now, Here 7 is there, here 3.5 is there. So 7 5s are 35. So 7 1s are 3.5 is there. So it is 0.5. Here also 7 1s are 7, 0.5. Right? Next, 22 into 0.5 into 12.5 plus 44. That is 22 into 2 is 44. 44 into 0.5 into 3.5. Okay. When you do the multiplication of these two values, and first do the multiplication of these values, then do the multiplication of these two values, then you will get after adding these two values, you will get 214.5 centimeters square. Okay, 214.5 centimeters square. Next one. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top if the height and the diameter of the cylinder part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively. What they have given, height and the diameter of the cylindrical part are, height is 2.1 meter and diameter is 4 meter respectively, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter. Find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of Rs 500 per meter square. Note that the base of the tent will not be covered with the canvas. Okay. Now, we want area of the canvas, right? See here. So, area of the canvas. So, full canvas can be determined by, here one cylinder is there and here one cone is there. That means this canvas is made up, it is consists of two parts. That is, one is cylinder and another one is cone, right? Now, area of the canvas is equal to area of the canvas is equal to curved surface area of the cylinder. ಎಷ್ಟು ಶೇಪ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ? ಟೂ ಶೇಪ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್, another one is cone. That means curved surface area of the cylinder plus curved surface area of this cone, right? Curved surface area of the cylinder plus curved surface area of the cone, right? Curved surface area of the cylinder plus curved surface area of the cone. Then what is the formula of curved surface area of the cylinder? That is 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH plus curved surface area of the cone is pi RL. Right? Now, 2 pi RH and pi RL. Here pi R is common. Therefore, I will take pi R common. What will remain in the bracket? 2H plus L. Right? 2H plus L. Now, pi value is 22 divided by 7 and R value. So, diameter they have given. Right? Diameter they have given, that is 4 meter. And what is the value of R? 4 divided by 2, that is 2 centimeter. 2 meter, sorry, 2 meter. Next, height. Height they have given, that is height of the cylinder is 2.1 meter. H value is 2.1 meter. And slant height, L they have given, that is 2.8 meter. Right? Now, pi value is 22 divided by 7 and R value is 2.1. 2 into H is 2.1 plus L is 2.8. Right? R value is 2 here, right? Sorry. R value is 2 here. It is not 0.12. So 22 into 2 is 44 divided by 7. 2 into 2.1 plus 2.8. That is 2 into 2.1 is 4.2 plus 2.8, that is equal to 4.2, 682, that is 7 you will get. So 44 divided by 7 into 7. So 4.2 plus 2.8, 8 plus 2, that is 10, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, that is 7. So 7 and 7 will get cancelled. You will get 44 meters square, right? So this is the area of the canvas. Now what they have asked, 500 rupees per meter square. Okay. So cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of 500 rupees per meter. Cost of the canvas for 500 rupees per meter square is equal to, here for 1 meter square, that is for means area of the canvas is 44 meters square, okay, into 500, that is equal to 22,000 you will get. 44 into 500 is 22,000 rupees. This is the cost of the canvas for the area 44 meters square. Next one. A solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter and the height of the cone is equal to its radius. That means height and radius are equal here. Find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. Okay. Now, volume of the solid we want, right? Here, one solid is there, one hemisphere is there, and one cone is there. This is hemisphere and this is cone, right? This is cone. What we want? We want volume of this solid. So volume is equal to, so volume of the solid we want. Volume of the solid is equal to, so solid is the combination of hemisphere and cone. So volume of the cone, plus volume of the hemisphere. Hemisphere it is. Hemisphere, right? So what is the volume of the cone? That is 1 by 3 pi r square h. 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Right? 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now, my dear students, here what they have asked, what they have given, both the radii being equal to 1. That means radii are equal to 1. So radius of the hemisphere and radius of the cone is equal to 1 and height of the cone is equal to the radius. That means height is equal to r. That means the height is equal to r. That's equal to 1 because r is 1 here. So 1 centimeter. 1 by 3 pi into 1 square and h value is also 1 here plus 2 by 3 pi r value is 1, that is equal to 1 cube, right? 1 by 3 pi into 1 square is 1 into 1 is 1, so pi into 1 is pi plus 2 by 3 pi into 1 cube is pi. 1 by 3 pi plus 2 by 3 pi, that is divided by 3. 3 is common here. So 1 plus 2 is 3 into pi. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So pi centimeter cube, because this is volume of the solid. So pi centimeter cube. What they have asked, find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. That means pi centimeter cube. Yes, over. Have you taken? Shall we move to next question? Yes. A solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 centimeter and the base diameter 24 centimeter, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 centimeter and radius 8 centimeter. Find the mass of the pole. What they have given here, one solid iron pole is there. Okay. It consists of a cylinder of height 220 centimeters and base diameter is 24 centimeters. So this is the cylinder and this height is 220 centimeter and base diameter is 24 centimeter, which is surmounted by another cylinder. Okay. So illi innondu cylinder adr melide, that is of height 60 centimeter and radius they have given, that is 8 centimeter. Radius is 8 centimeter. Find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. Okay. So what they have given, consider this is R1 and this is H1, height of the first cylinder and height of the second cylinder. Okay. So volume of the iron pole. Iron pole is volume of the first cylinder plus volume of the second cylinder. Second cylinder. Right? So this is first cylinder and this is second cylinder. Okay. Now, so volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. This is pi r1 h1 pi r square h, right? Pi r1 square h1 plus pi r square r2 square h. So what is r1? R1 is here diameter they have given, that is 24 divided by 2. 24 is the diameter. So this is 12 centimeter. Right. Next, H1 is 220 here. And what is R2? R2 is 8 centimeter and H2 is 60 centimeter. Right? 60 centimeter. Use pi value is 3.142 here, right? Now, pi value is 3.142 or 3.14 into R1 value is 12 square into H1 value is 220 plus pi value is 3.14 into R2 square. R2 value is 8 square into H2 is 60 centimeter. 3.14 into 12 square is 144 into 220 plus 3.14 into 8 square is 64 into 60. Okay. If you do the multiplication of all these three values, then you will get 99475.2 plus 3.14 into 64 into 60 is 12057.6. Okay. Now, do the addition of these two values. Then you will get, this is 11, 111,532.8 centimeter cube. Okay, this is the volume of the iron pole. Now what they have asked, find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass. Okay, so mass of the pole we need to find out. Mass of the pole is equal to, so volume of the pool is 111,532.8 into 8, because this is, it has approximately 8 gram mass, right? So into 8. So 111,532.8 into 8 is, so 892262.4 gram. If you convert this into kg, then it is 892.26 kg. Right? So this is about the, this is for 4 marks, 3 marks. Okay, 3 marks and 4 marks. This we will continue in the next class. Okay. Yes, my dear students, today we solved some examples for 3 marks and 4 marks. Okay. So this question is for 3 marks and this is also for marks. This is for 3 marks. Okay. This question we will solve in the next class. Okay. Some new questions is there, so that we will solve in the next class. Okay. So have you taken this? Shall we stop today's session? Okay. And let us continue next problems in the next class. Okay. Yes. All the very best. Thank you. Thank you so much.